In this lecture, we're going to go over video descriptions, titles, and tags. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and tell Google Gemini, I just made a video on NASCAR. Write me 100-word description. And we're going to send that. So now Google Gemini has written our video description, and we can go in there and ask it to give me 20 eye-catching YouTube video titles. And we're going to have those titles related to NASCAR. Go ahead and send that. Amazing. There's actually a few titles in there that I would actually use for my YouTube video, but these might not be SEO optimized. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here to Google Gemini and tell it to give me 20 SEO optimized video tags for the video about NASCAR. Right? And we're going to send that. Now, as you can see, Google Gemini can write our video descriptions, titles, and tags. It can even make it SEO optimized for your YouTube channels, your YouTube videos, or any social media content that you'd like. And remember, you could give it different parameters. You could have it write a 3-word title. You could make it more exciting, eye-catching, whatever you'd like.